Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your data on your Garmin Fenix 7 series watch. And I'm using the 7X Solar Sapphire. It doesn't matter which version of the Fenix 7 you've got, this video will work for you. I'll also mention this is pretty similar to any other Garmin device out there, even devices that are not the Fenix. So you've got a couple different options depending on what you're looking to do here. I'm going to show you all of those options. Now I'm going to be using the buttons on the watch. I won't be using the touchscreen functionality. If you've got one of the touchscreen models, you could obviously use touchscreen. We're going to start by pressing and holding the middle button on the left side. That's our menu button. Then we're going to use the up or down button. We need to go to System. We're going to press the upper right button to select System. And then we're going to again use the up or down button to go to Reset. Now when we go under the Reset menu, we're going to have a couple different options. Reset default settings will leave all of your personal information on there, your user information, your music, so on and so forth. It's just going to reset all of the settings that you've adjusted. Backlight settings, activity settings, all of that kind of stuff. Delete all activities will leave all of your settings, but it's going to delete all of the activities from the history on the watch. Reset totals will reset the distance and the time totals that you've got accumulated on the watch. And then last but not least, there is delete data and reset settings. That will delete all of the settings back to factory default, and it will delete all of your personal information, including your Garmin Pay information, the music that you have downloaded on the device, everything. This will put the watch back to the way it was when it came from Garmin. You're just going to choose the one you want to by pressing the upper right button, follow the directions from there, and that's how you reset your settings on your Garmin Fenix 7 series watch. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.